Hello, I'm Dr. Manu Elappila. I'm working in Christ University, Bangalore. I'm working in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in School of Engineering and Technology in Christ University. We are here at NSP for the VAPT training organized NSP along with Positive Technologies from Moscow, Russia. We are actually honored to be here, and we are very grateful for the organizers for such a wonderful training session organized for us. It was a very enriching experience to be part of this training program. It was so hands-on activities, training session in the morning, everything went well, and all our audience, all our participants liked the training session. One of them have rated it 10 out of 10, and it's a wonderful opportunity to be here, and we look forward to deliver this to the young mind out there in our universities, and our students hope this kind of collaboration will bring good thing in future to the society. Thank you so much.